In this episode I will show you how to make a micro tea light candle. So hello adventurers and welcome to the club. For today's project we are needing a bottle cap, just like this one here. You'll find them, well, everywhere on the street. Make sure it's the real metal ones. And first of all, we have to remove the little plastic liner from the inside. So just go under it with your fingernail. Well, if you don't have fingernails, take something similar. And then just hold on it and peel it out. There we go. I'm just using a screwdriver to get rid of the glue. Next, you need a wick holder, and we find it in an empty tea light candle. To make it be usable again, you just take a hole punch and punch it down in the lower hole. So, let me show you how it's done. You just take your nail and push it out. Then you widen the hole till it is around again, so it can accept the new wick. And now we take any kind of natural fiber string as a wick. We don't need much. About this much should be plenty enough. But we can always trim it back. So, we put it to the hole, like this. And then we take some pliers, make sure we are in focus, and we crimp it back together, just like this. The wick is now attached in place and doesn't fall out anymore. Perfect. So next we place the wick inside the casing, and then we just have to fill it with wax. So in order to melt the wax, I'm improvising here a little candle holder. I'm just taking this here and I'm making two cuts, one in this direction and one in this direction, so they cross over. Turn it around and put the candle in. Now we got an improvised candle holder. Now I'm taking a bit of a scrap from a candle, just what's left of the harder part out is, because the inside is paraffin. This is a bit of a better version with a bit of real beeswax added to it. It burns therefore on a higher temperature and longer. You don't need much, but it doesn't harm to melt it. So I'm putting it in here, and then I'm just melting it over the candle. You can use a spoon, do it heroin style, but I'm just taking pliers and hold it up to the candle, not directly in the flame, just above it. And then I'm gently melting it. So, once the wax has molten, we go to the pre ring. Perfect. Let's put this on a heat-proof surface and blow out the candle. Smoky smoke. So And once it has fully cooled, you can put it along with some matches into a matchbox. When you need light, you just put it out, light the match, and light it on fire. Just like this. Isn't that beautiful? Complete flame-proof thick metal surface. Of course, it could still score some wood where you have it on it, but this doesn't matter in this application. Blow it out, and you're done when you're done. So, I hope you've enjoyed this little DIY project. It could come very in handy in an Altoid style kind of survival kit, or if you do a matchbox style survival kit. But anyways, I really like the idea. It's upcycling, and yeah, of course you got a lot of, don't bump the focus, you got a lot of opportunities here to use all kind of different bottle caps, all kind of different colors. Yeah, you could make them as a gift for someone. Here we got a bit of extra wax. That's a good thing, it just peels easy off, and yeah, I really like this thing. I think burn hour is depending on the wax. If you use real beeswax, it burns longer, about half an hour to an hour, but more half an hour. It's enough to warm something up or to help start a big fire. Yeah, I really like the idea. It's cute, it's neat and very useful. And as a little extra for all of those who stuck around till the end, I did make some experiments with different types of wax. Beeswax is of course the one that burns the longest, and you can actually expect it to burn over an hour, but it is highly depending on the wax quality, so I would recommend you to make one, or better, make two, and well, burn one and see how long it burns, so you have an exact time. But talking about wax, it's also ambient temperature sensitive, so well, try it out.